This is just a sample of the training available at itdvds.com. To see complete training, please go to itdvds.com. Let's begin the sample. Okay, I'm in my Office 365 portal here as an administrator, and I want to use multi-factor authentication for some of my users. Let's go ahead and click on Users, and let's say I'm going to set it up for John Law here. So I'll just go ahead and click on John Law. You can see John Law has the Enterprise Mobility Suite license already. So in that way, he's actually already licensed for multi-factor authentication. So I'm going to go down and click on Manage Multi-Factor Authentication. And I'll go ahead and check John Law and click on Enable. Lets me know, please read the deployment guide if I haven't already. If your users do not regularly sign in through a web browser, then you can send them to register for multi-factor auth with this link. So that's good to know. We may want to do that anyway, so they just get it set up and out of the way. So I'll go ahead and enable multi-factor auth. Okay, it's now enabled. So now what we can do, let's go ahead and act like we're John Law. The next time he logs in somewhere, so like myapps.microsoft.com, go ahead and log in as JLaw. And first things first, they always need to know their password. Lets me know your admin has required that you set up an account for additional security verification. So I can go ahead and set it up now. Again, I'm logging in as John Law. So I can use authentication phone number. It'll autofill this if we've already entered this in an Active Directory for them. So it's very nice. And this is the user specifying really how they want to do their secondary authentication. So if they want it by text message, they can select that option. If they want to call it, they can select that option. If John Law had other email addresses in Active Directory, he'd be able to select that option as well. And I'll go ahead and click Contact Me. So let me enter in our country code here. Okay, John Law's received the text message. Put the code in, click on Verify. And here's the app password that we talked about earlier, how if some apps don't work well with multi-factor authentication, they can use this password. And you can see some apps like Outlook, Apple Mail, Microsoft Office, you can't use a phone to secure your account. To use these apps, you need to create a new app password, and we can get started with that one. So that's it. So the user kind of has the ability to set things up the way they want it to work. All we have to do is enable it for the user. So pretty easy.